Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the SIM card not detected problem on Android so you can get your phone connected again. Many people face this issue when their phone suddenly says no SIM or SIM not detected. It can be caused by software glitches, dirty SIM contacts, or even wrong settings. Let's fix it. Method 1. Restart your phone. A simple reboot often refreshes the network and solves the problem. Turn off your phone, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Method 2. Reinsert the SIM card. Turn off your phone, remove the SIM card tray with the ejector pin, clean the SIM gently with a soft cloth, then reinsert it carefully and restart your device. Method 3. Check SIM and network settings. Go to Settings, then Connections, then Mobile Networks, and make sure your SIM is enabled. If you have multiple SIM slots, try switching to another slot. Method 4. Update software and reset network settings. Check for software updates under Settings, then System, then Software Update. If the problem persists, go to Settings, then System, then Reset Options, then Reset Network Settings. Method 5. Test with another SIM or device. Insert your SIM into another phone to see if it works. If it doesn't, the SIM card might be faulty and needs replacement. Important notes. Always handle your SIM card carefully to avoid damage. Make sure your phone isn't locked to another carrier. If none of these methods work, contact your carrier or visit a service center. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Android fixes and tips.